All right, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a logo on a shirt in After Effects. We're just going to be using the native Mocha tracker to do this, so no plugins needed. Let's get right into it. So I chose a clip with me wearing my Jordan shirt, and the logo's right here, so it makes it easy to see, and this can show you how clean this can actually be if you use this technique. So let's go into our effects and add Mocha to this. This is the original one that comes with After Effects, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything, and we're just going to click this over here. So you can draw around it with the spline tool like this, just left clicking, and when you get to the last one, just right click and that will close it off. Or you can just get this circle tool over here and you can just draw it around where the logo is, for instance, and then we're going to go over to where it says track and hit this button. Once we're done that, we're going to hit the save button up here and exit. Now, once you're back in the original comp, go to where it says matte over here, apply the matte, and then we're going to invert that effect. And if we click this checkerboard over here, it's going to show the transparency grid. And if you see, we have it all blank underneath, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Just punching a hole inside of the shirt so that we can use the content to wear fill to get to the next part of this. Now, if you don't see it in your effects or the panel, it could be because of the preset that you're using for the UI. So just go to help up here and type down content, and you will see new content aware fill there, and you can click that. Now, because this is not an object and it's on my shirt, I would select something like surface or edge blend. So we'll start with surface first, and then we're going to check the lighting correction, and then we're going to change it to either strong or moderate depending on your situation. And over here in the range, you can do entire duration or work area, but I trimmed it to be in this work area so that we're not going for the frames outside of it. But if you want it to just be to where the end of this clip is, if I zoom out, we're just going to click work area over here and we're going to hit generate fill. And if it tells you to save this, you could just save this in the folder that you started with or anywhere in general. Now, while it's trying to generate it, you're going to look at the bottom over here and you're going to see it's analyzing, and when that's done, you'll get a reference for this layer up here showing what it filled it with. So yeah, after going through a few settings and a few different generations, I was able to get rid of the logo completely. And as you can see, it's pretty much not even obvious anymore. And the trick that I used was going back to the matte settings. I increased the feather substantially. The alpha expansion I put to 2, and I went with the surface method, and the lighting condition was strong. And generate this a few times to figure out what works for your scene. But for something like this, it brought back even the textures of the shirt and stuff inside of the footage. So here's a cool little technique if you guys are trying to figure out how to get rid of a logo or something that you don't want inside your footage. Remember, if you guys like it, click that button, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.